The Dreame X50 Ultra is Dreame's latest flagship robot vacuum, and this Black Friday, it's finally available at its lowest price ever. Named one of Time's best innovations of 2025, the X50 Ultra takes robotic cleaning to a whole new level with unmatched suction power, advanced navigation, and fully automated maintenance. Huge thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video and giving me a chance to dive into what might be one of the most advanced robot vacuums ever made. You will find the Black Friday deal linked in the description below. At its core is Dreame's ProLeap system featuring robotic retractable legs that let it climb over thresholds and steps up to 6 centimeters high while maintaining stability across different surfaces. These legs have been tested for over 30,000 cycles to ensure durability and long-term reliability. The X50 Ultra's VersaLift navigation adjusts its height dynamically, allowing it to clean under furniture as low as 89 millimeters, about 3.5 inches. Combined with 3D Adapt smart obstacle avoidance and AI-powered cameras, it recognizes over 200 objects for smooth, precise navigation, even in tight or cluttered spaces. When it comes to cleaning power, the VorMax suction system delivers an incredible 20,000 pascals of suction from Dreame's 6th generation Turbo Force motor. It easily handles dust, pet hair, and debris on both carpets and hard floors, while operating 3 decibels quieter than previous models. The HyperStream Detangling Dual Brush uses 2 brushes spinning in opposite directions to minimize tangles and improve pickup efficiency. Intelligent ultrasonic sensors automatically adjust brush speed depending on the floor type for optimal cleaning results. For mopping, Dreame introduced Mop Extend Robo Swing, which reaches deep into corners and along edges that traditional robots miss. Dual rotary mops scrub away stubborn stains, while automatic mop lifting keeps carpets dry. The Ace Clean dry board system then takes over, washing mop pads with 20 high-temperature spray nozzles and drying them with hot air to prevent odor and mildew. All of this is managed by the Power Dock station, which handles 176 degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, hot air drying, water refilling, and solution mixing, even storing up to 100 days of debris in its 3.2-liter dust bag. The X50 Ultra truly delivers hands-free maintenance. It also features Omni Dirt Detection 2.0, which uses AI to recognize different types of messes, from pet hair to spilled cereal, and automatically adjusts suction and cleaning patterns. Pet owners will appreciate the 2-way voice communication, pet finding mode, and large particle boost mode for cleaning up food or litter. Smart home integration is seamless with voice control and Matter protocol support, and through the Dreame Home app, you can create detailed room maps, set no-go zones, and schedule cleaning by room or time. You can even issue over 40 offline voice commands without Wi-Fi. Powering it all is a 6400 mAh battery delivering up to 220 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Fast charging replenishes the battery 30% faster than before, ensuring the vacuum is always ready to clean. In short, the Dreame X50 Ultra combines flagship level performance, intelligence, and convenience. And this Black Friday, it's available at the best price of the year. As one of Time's best innovations of 2025 and backed by a 5-year warranty, it offers long-lasting performance and total peace of mind. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade, this is it. The Dreame X50 Ultra delivers power, precision, and innovation in one of the most advanced cleaning systems ever built. Check out the link in the description to grab yours while it's on sale for Black Friday.